5 home design features that definitely should be considered are, it's more of like topics or general ideas behind the design rather than specifics. One of the big things is maintenance. How are you going to use this space? Do you want marble that might be a little more high maintenance, or do you want to go with quartz that would be lower maintenance? And then to tie into that on the design aesthetic, like what style do you want to go with? Are you looking at more contemporary? Are you looking at more traditional? Definitely things to be considering when you're looking at redesigning or remodeling your home. Another thing is timeless. You want certain aspects of that design to be timeless. And I would say, and I like telling a lot of my clients, those elements that are larger elements like your floor, your cabinetry, things that you're not going to want to change very often, those should be more timeless. And maybe you stick with more trendy features in the sense of your furniture or your wall colors. Those are things that are more easily changed over time. Another great thing to consider is how are you going to use this space? And that may determine how you want to design it. Are you a person who entertains and you have things catered? Like if you're entertaining for large parties, if you're doing that, maybe you want a full service butler's pantry rather than a butler's pantry that just has some additional storage. And another great thing is functionality. Are you using that space for show, or are you using it because you need the utility of it? In the case of the butler's pantry, you need that utility, so you want all of the elements in there. Whereas maybe if you have a powder room that's in a different part of the home, you can do something very creative, make that almost like a piece of art, in the sense of you can do crazy wallpapers or very unique sink and faucet combinations, because maybe it's not very practical in the sense of, hey, it's difficult to clean, or this particular style maybe splashes a lot, but if it looks very cool and you're not using that often, that would be a place that you would use as an art piece instead of going for functionality. So hope those are some great tips to help you with that design process.